Just kidding. I'm not gonna act like I have a cameraman. My studio apartment. If you watched me for a while, you know that I went from living with 3 guys in 1 bedroom to 2 guys in 1 bedroom to finally just me in my own studio in San Francisco 2 years ago. But now, you know, I'm back in the studio here in South Bay, and I've actually, you know, upgraded in life, and I'm living with a female now. So let me just bring her out really quick and introduce you to my roommate. You want to see out of the camera? But yeah, I got a roommate now. Her name's Suki, and yeah, let's do this apartment tour. First thing you see, turn right, is my fridge. And if we go in here, and you're probably wondering if I actually cook, why don't you see for yourself? So, you know, I'm an honest YouTuber. I'm not gonna stock up my fridge just so that it looks nice for the video. Okay, the reality is that food's free at work, so I don't really need to cook. I'm marinating some teriyaki chicken, got some scored pork belly, half and half, some stinky ass cheese, half a watermelon I need to finish, rice, this one's cabbage, this one's lettuce, green onion, apples, and some clementines I might need to throw away, honestly. And over here, we got my drinks, so I only need coffee. Got that oat milk, baby. And Whole Foods ketchup. Don't buy this. Stick with Heinz. And of course, Kewpie mayo, because that's the better mayo. Brita filter for that water. Honestly, dude, Bay Area water, best water I've ever drank in my life, I swear to God. And then the best butter ever, Kerrygold. They sell it at Costco. And the goodies, we got, my friend told me about these, but they've been pretty popular on TikTok. The Just Bare chicken nuggets, they taste just like Chick-fil-A. And then they also sell fillets, so it's like you can make a sandwich. We got some American Wagyu. Sheesh. Worth the money? I don't know, you tell me. Got a Whole Foods steak that I just haven't eaten because it's kind of expensive. I want to save it for an occasion. And then here are the actual goods. Hilltop, when we're trying to be healthy, and when we're actually trying to enjoy life, we got some Jennies. And dude, this pint costs $10 at Whole Foods. So that's the fridge and freezer. Here is the kitchen area. I really like the layout of the studio apartment, how it's just one long aisle, so that it doesn't take up as much space. And I really like the white oak colors of the drawers and everything. And we go over here. Another reason why I chose this apartment is that you don't see this too often, but it's actually gas stove. So if I turn this on, woo! There's a lot of cabinets everywhere and drawers, and I don't use most of them, I think. Yeah, this one's empty. Cat stuff, because she's spoiled. Snacks when I'm a fat ass. 1 trash bag. Interesting. For cooking appliances, stainless steel pot, non-stick pan, but mainly just use this guy, Mr. Air Fryer. Don't even have to do dishes because you just grab a piece of foil, put it in there, and guess where my trash can is? Right here. So, there, minimal cooking effort. And then if you're wondering why do I have these 2 bowls, basically I bought really expensive stuff from West Elm, and for Copium they're like, here's 80 bucks worth of credit, and with 80 bucks I could only buy these 2 things and these mugs. So 4 of these mugs and then these 2 wooden things are $80 at West Elm. This is pretty cool over here. Got this at a Japanese market. It's called Tsurugi Supermarket. It's like a little ramen bowl. Very good quality. Yeah, I really like Japanese cookery, cutlery. Speaking of that, if we go in here, we got a Japanese knife. Very sharp, very sharp. Also, back to the trash can. You know, we're eco-friendly over here, so recycling and trash. And if I was more woke, I would have a compost bin where I can mix all this cat shit. If you don't know what that is, it's a litter box for cat shit. And you can mix that with some food and make it a compost bin. And finishing off the kitchen tour, my favorite part is this cabinet over here where I got the goods. El Clasico Shin Ramen. All my drugs, you know what I'm saying? Just kidding. But you know, some of this stuff's actually prescription. Somewhere back here. my periodontist, if you're watching me. I'm not using this. And then also got BB-myeon ramen, really good too. BTS's favorite ramen. And then also got this canned tuna. It's really easy. You don't need a can opener, just flop it up open. And then over here, we have my dining table and my dining chairs. Funny story about these dining chairs is that when I moved in, some people like down the hallway were moving out. These chairs are just dumped outside. I saw the sticky note, I was just like, hey, like, are you trying to sell these or is this up for grabs? And they just texted me back saying, grab as many as you want. There's 6, I took 4. This table from Wayfair, like, matches the same color. I don't really eat too much on it. I only use it when I have friends over because I want to watch TV or go on my computer while eating food. So this is like the table where I put all my random shit. But right now, I cleaned up for the video. This is not reality. On the weekdays, I'm gonna go to the office with this setup. Grab my backpack, put it on, badge, keys, and I'm off to that 9 to 5 life. See ya. And next up is the living room, or what I try to make a living room out of a studio apartment that's really tiny. Yeah, this is my couch. This is the West Elm Harmony stressed velvet material with, I think the color is called sand. But this is actually not a couch. This is part of a couch set, and this is the chase. So it looks like this is supposed to be a 2-seater, but this is actually a 1-seater sofa. So I actually rotated it where it's supposed to be like this, but I rotated it this way. Normally you'd be sitting on this couch like this, where you can lean back. You'd have the missing part of your couch to your left with 2 seats. So in total it'd be a 3-seat couch. And the reason why I have this chase, which is not a complete sofa, is because my girlfriend has the other missing part of the couch back home in Texas. This was just a way of me to get a couch without having to sell it or waste it, because once I move back, join it together. For the rest of the living room, got this nice little rug from Amazon. The TV is a Sony Aria X90J 4K, 50-inch, pretty nice. And then this dresser is just from Amazon. Pop this, opens, and it's a good way to hide my cables for my router and my Google Nest. Speaking of good cable management, this is where I'm lacking some good cable management on my desk. Holy moly, that's disgusting. I'm sorry you had to see this. But yeah, right next to my living room is my workspace. Yeah, for the setup, we got a Herman Miller Aeron with a third-party headrest that like matches the same mesh material. I have it in body at home, and I honestly personally like it more than the Aeron, but my girlfriend likes this more, and I just plan on giving this to her after. But I mean, it's still a really comfortable chair. Like, it's very bouncy, I guess, whereas in body's more like a foam, like memory foam, like type of thing. And then this desk, I got this from Costco. It's a standing desk, but honestly, I don't really modify the height unless I want to raise it up when I'm chowing on some food. And the reason why I have this is because a certain company wasn't willing to send over a third standing desk, but I can't complain. Got a dual monitor setup. This is a 34-inch ultra wide, standard 27-inch. I don't really use this monitor unless I'm working. That's why I have like these 2 cables to plug in. And then I mainly just use this one. Yeah, nothing too special. I have a NZXT computer, and I have this Dyson Air purifier and fan because I'm too cheap to boss up the AC. Rent's expensive, man. And if you're asking about my keyboard, I'm not really too into keyboards, but I think this is a Skylum G61K with Holy Pandas switches and Modra keycaps. But I don't really care about those things. I only care about this little keycap I got from Etsy where there's like a little bear in there with a lot of plants. It's pretty cute. And just a Logitech mouse pad. I'm gonna take a quick break from the tour and answer some questions you probably have. First question, you're probably wondering how much is rent? It costs me $31.50 per month to be in this really big studio. But yeah, I know it's a little bit expensive, but there's tons of amenities at this place. There's Whole Foods, Chipotle, Starbucks, Tender Greens, like a really nice healthy restaurant, Ball Guys, really big gym, lots of swimming pools, lots of trails and walking areas, tons of electric vehicle charging because I drive a Tesla. And I think that's enough advertising for this apartment complex. Management, if you like want to set something up, you know where I am, literally. And then conveniently located next to my desk is the bed. So after work, you know, just gotta. Anyways, I never make my bed. I only did it for this video, so you know, don't trust what you see online. And I got the bed frame from Wayfair. The mattress is from Costco. It's like the memory foam. It's the cheapest one that was there because I'm not trying to spend more money on the bed. Next to my bed, I have a picture. I just Google imaged ABG and this is the first stock photo. And down here I have my headphones and then glasses case, some books. And on the other side, we got the classic IKEA mom drawer. I think this is like my 3rd one in my lifetime. And got the Google Nest Point. It's just just extends the Wi-Fi to make it a better connection in general. Plus, you hear my girlfriend got me. It's a polar bear because I'm a polar bear because I'm pale and chubby. GG. If you know, you know. RJ headband. And then these are from Etsy. Got a crochet boba and then a crochet cookie. And then I also have a cow panda bear because I want to cow. And over here, next to my bed, got this nice closet. And I'm trying to transition myself to a Lululemon and Uniqlo only guy. So we're like 70% there. Oh, this is pretty funny. I have this little cat backpack that Suki's breeder gave me. So when we go outside, she's stuck in here. And then for shoes, I have some Ultra Boosts and a better version of Boost, which are these Hokas. Pretty nice. And then I also have the ALD New Balances. And I also got these Panda Dunks that everyone has. For the everydays, Asics beat up shoes because I use these for hiking, Birks, and then my house slippers. And here in the hallway closet, I got my tote bag. This is from Uniqlo. Inside here, I have a Lululemon fanny pack. Like I said, I'm trying to transition to being a Lululemon Uniqlo only guy. And here, this is what I'm most excited about. After living for 6 years without a washer and dryer, I finally got one. Don't have to go downstairs to a basement anymore. It's a pretty bougie machine. Got a lot of different settings. And then here, for all my whites, I have this in this Muji basket, cat blankets, cleaning supplies toolbox. And then most importantly, got my Dyson vacuum to clean up all this cat litter all over the floor from Suki. And this Swiffer, because it's an all wood apartment. And last stop of the tour is the bathroom. Currently Suki's locked inside because I needed to film, but she's used to it because I actually lock her in there at night when I sleep. Oh, Suki, so cute. Hello. But yeah, she's used to being in the restroom and she likes it too because it's like the only area without too much light during the day. But yeah, this is the bathroom. We got some Costco memory foam mats here and there. And really nice mirror, pretty long. A little medicine cabinet too. Got all my skincare and stuff. Got some La Roche-Posay, travel size stuff. When I'm feeling bougie, hair stuff, shaving stuff, Paula's Choice exfoliator that like everyone uses, but it is pretty good. And then my normal moisturizer that I use, Laneige, and some Nivea sunscreen. Here, just, you know, contacts, tongue scraper, retainers, because I don't want to get my teeth fixed for the third time. ACT mouthwash, no alcohol, that's the best. And Aesop hand soap, because, you know, gotta spend some money. Shaving cream, cleanser, and this curling essence that my Korean hairdresser lady tells me to use because my hair's fucked from all these perms. The shower's pretty nice. Got a slidey door, so you don't need to put on the rings and shower curtain. And then bath products, you know, just got a little Olaplex, and I like this Innisfree cleanser. And then we got this Burt's Bee cat shampoo that I use like once a month because this kitty does not like taking showers. Do you, Suki? Yeah, there's cat toys all over the ground in my apartment because she's spoiled. This one's pretty funny. Whisker claw, like a white claw. But she likes her toys. Last thing over here, got my weight scale. A reminder that I'm a fat piece of shit when I get that 20 nugget combo with a large Coke at 12 a.m. And yeah, that's my entire huge studio here in the Bay Area. If you want to live in your McMansion, Texas, I would recommend it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. Feel free to like or subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one. Bye!